Hi, welcome back to another great episode in the kitchen. So for anybody that's been following my channel, you'll see that I've been to Brazil and uploaded over an hour of footage over 7 videos, and it was a fantastic time. Brazil's highly recommendable, great people, great food, great sunshine. So I've also been shopping in Brazil. We've got 500 gram of black beans, the highest protein beans you can get. They've been soaked overnight for ease of cooking today, and you want to drain them off just in case there's any grit. Then you want to soak them, and you get this great black water that's going to add great dark texture and colour to your beans. We've got 3 medium onions sliced. We've got 6 cloves of garlic crushed and finely chopped. Ooh, look at my poor finger there. I was cooking the other day in a pan. Anyway, that's enough about that. So, got 6 cloves of garlic, 2 really great bay leaves there. We've got a heap teaspoon of cumin, and we've got some salt to taste. So, into a nice big pressure cooker. You don't have to use a pressure cooker, particularly if you've boiled or let soak your beans overnight. Let that come to a heat. So it's the quicker way to use a pressure cooker. You can just let them boil if you want, as long as they're soft. So just adding enough oil, probably 4 tablespoons there, just to saute the onions and the garlic. Let the oil heat up. So why not? As the oil heats up, this is absolutely amazing. We've all heard of 51 cachaça in the UK, but I got this in Brazil. Highly recommended by a local. This is organic cachaça, so made of organic sugarcane. And I mean, I've got a little bit left. I drank quite a lot of it in Brazil, and you wake up with a clear head, and it's super good. Look at all the awards it's won. So next, add the onion. We're going to saute the onions for about 4 minutes till they're nice and soft. So if you like this type of food, I've got some white rice, I'm going to do some plantain, I'm going to do some sliced avocado as a side, and we've also got some fried tapioca flour, which is a staple of a Brazilian side dish, but I'm going to do it with cashew. So I'm going to be making that recipe next. So I'll just give you a little tip. When you're waiting for things like onions to saute or sauces to reduce, you've got to be keeping an eye on it. But what I like to do is just do kitchen chores. I mean, there's washing up, there's the prep, there's the clearing down of the kitchen. So it's a good time to get all that done. So when your dish is cooked, your kitchen's sparkling and you're ready to eat. So as I said, saute, which means soften, so cooked without colour. So it's time to add the garlic. Fry off the garlic. And those bay leaves, I just can smell them from here. This is going to be absolutely fantastic. So that's all cooked out well. It took a little bit longer than 4 minutes. So now it's time to add our black beans along with the water they were stewed in. The salt and the cumin. Some people add tomatoes, some people add sausage. But this is a vegetarian version. So give it a good stir. And now if you're not using pressure cooker mode, it's time to just simmer those down. It could take about 45 minutes on a low simmer. But I'm using a pressure cooker. So we're going to come back. After I put the lid on, I'm going to wait for 3 clicks on the pressure cooker, if I can put the lid on. Do that off camera, it's embarrassing. So finally got the lid on. So about 45 minutes, 3 clicks, or if you're not using the pressure cooker, until it's nice and soft, we'll come back. So after 45 minutes and allowing it to cool slightly, we have an almost gelatinous black bean mixture that's going to go great with rice. And unlike in the Caribbean where they mix the the red beans, kidney beans with the rice, in Brazil it's totally separate. So I hope you've enjoyed that video. Let's just have a close-up. This is what it's all about. So, highest protein beans you can get. So that's just perfect. I'm really happy. It smells like Brazil in here. Thank you very much for watching.